I've been true to my philosophy that I should buy only exactly what I need when I find out that I need it. So, time for another unboxing. This time it's from a company called Maton, and I ordered some pencils and pencil lead and so on. So let's see what's in here. So, why did I order this? Well, I ordered these felt pens, very thin tip, to be able to make designs and drawings on paper with more precision. And I ordered these pencil lead colored ones so that I can use them in my drawing kit that I inherited from my father. This is kind of from the 50s or something. So in here we have compass, different sizes, and although some of these take ink, I'm not going to use the ink ones. I'm going to use the ones with the pencil lead. So it actually turns out that the pencil lead for these are 2 millimeters diameter, and these are also 2 millimeters. So the 2 millimeter pencil lead is still alive. And then I also topped off with this technical pen. It's an ink pen. It's kind of a fountain pen, but not so much. It's more like I don't know what it's called, but oh, it's actually it's a screw on off thing. So this is refillable. The one I went for is 0.4 millimeters. The point on that one, and just to see what this is, I also went for the pen cleaner. I suppose you can clean this with alcohol or some petrol based or some other based resin, but I bought this one just to get to know what to clean that with. So yeah, I've been true to my philosophy that I should buy only exactly what I need when I find out that I need it. So now I needed 3 pens of different colors, and I went for the felt tip to try those out, and I went for the pencil leads so that I can get drawing in different colors with my this drawing kit, and I went for the technical pen, one only, to try out if I like the technical pen. So yeah, I now have a small set of drawing tools so that I can make physical drawings using my hands, and it's an alternative to desktop CAD programs and so on. So thank you for watching.
If you like my video, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.